Hello students, welcome back to this channel. I am Pratima. Today we'll learn another property of triangle, that is when a side is extended an external angle is produced that is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So we'll verify and we will learn to solve some questions based on this. So let us begin.
So let us start. Now we will learn the measure or we will verify the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is sum of two interior opposite angles. ABC is a triangle. Now when one side of a triangle is extended, an exterior angle is produced. So here we have produced BC or extended BC to point D. The angle ACD is exterior angle. Now angle ABC is one of the interior opposite angle and BAC is another interior opposite angle. Angle ACD is sum of angle ABC and BAC. Let us verify. How will you verify? By measuring. How will you measure? With help of protractor. So take a protractor. Measure the angles one by one. First we'll measure angle ACD. So put the protractor, fix the center of the protractor on C and measure the angle from right side. So you will count from right side of the 0. You will count from right side of the 0. So this will be 0, 10, 30, 40. How much it is? It will be 140 degree. So angle ACD is equal to 140 degree. Next, we'll measure ABC. So I'll put the protractor on B. Center will be fixing with on B, exactly on B. And here also the angle is from right side. So I'll take lower 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is 50 degree. So angle B is 50 degree. Now I'll go for angle BAC. So we'll measure angle BAC. So put the protractor on A. So now measure the angle BAC. Start from counting from B. 0, 10, 20. It is 90. So BAC angle is 90 degree. So now we'll verify whether the sum of these two interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle or not. Yes, 90 plus 50 is 140 degree. You can draw a triangle yourself. You can produce a side, any side, and for that take the interior opposite angles, measure with protractor and verify the concept. So ACD is equal to ABC plus BAC, we verified. Now we'll take help of a software GeoGebra to verify more triangles, for more triangles. So let us start. So we will verify that the exterior of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. And when exterior angle is produced, when a side of a triangle is produced, we get an exterior angles. So we'll produce side AB to D. Then CBD is exterior angle of ABC. CBD is equal to 131. We have measured it. And CAB is other interior opposite angles and it is 43. ACB is another interior angle It is 88. You can verify that 43 plus 88 is equal to 131. So this is the verification, and we have used a software that is GeoGebra. You can also download this. You can do at home. Now, for your convenience, I am changing this triangle to a different position. I am changing the exterior angle. See, now the angles are, A angle is 38, C is 73. Still, you are finding the exterior angle is sum of two interior opposite angles. 38 plus 73 is equal to 111. Let us see some other position. See, A is 31, C is 39, and when you are adding, you are getting 70, which is sum of 31 and your 39. Now I am changing again. A is 53, C is 63. So is this sum 116? Yes. So whatever will be the triangle, whatever will be the exterior angle, the truth is always it is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So let us change now. Are you getting? Yes, 37, 41, you are getting 78. Let us change again. 80, 44, 124. So this is a fact that sum of angles of two interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So what is the use? When one of the angle will be given, you can find the other one. Not only this AB is produced, we can produce AC, we can produce CA, we can produce any side you can see, you can produce, and you can also verify the same thing. You can draw at a home, you can measure with protractor, and you can verify it. So we have verified the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is sum of two interior opposite angles. Now we will solve some problems based on this concept. Question number 1. A figure is given to us. We have to get the x given in this figure, and options are given 20 degree, 40 degree, 80 degree, 60 degree. So if you will see minutely, this exterior angle is given to 100 degree, one of interior angle is 60, other is x. So you know the concept, 60 plus x, it makes you 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 minus 60, that will be 40 degree. So check the option, 40 degree is the answer. Question number 2. Question number 2 is again one triangle given with exterior angle. You have to find the value of y. You have to find the value of y. So see the exterior angle, how much is this? It is 110 degree. One of the angle is given. So you know the concept, 40 plus y is equal to 110. So how much will be y? It will be 110 minus 40. How much this? 70. So where is the answer? Answer is part D, 60, 70 degree. Let us take next question. Value of I in this figure. Here none of the angle is given. How to get it? No problem. This is the exterior angle and two interior angles, opposite angles are y and y. So y plus y is equal to 140. Y plus y means twice y, double of y is equal to 140. So what will be y? Y is equal to 140 divided by 2. That will be 70 degree. Is there any answer? Yes. Last one is the answer. So we can tick it. Next question. Question number 4. It is again the similar question. Exterior angle is given to 150. One angle is given 55. You have to get the value of x. So we'll write in the same way. Sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles. So x will be 105 minus 55. It will be how much? It will be 50 degree. Where is the answer? Answer is first one is the answer. Question number 5. Find the value of x. X is in the exterior angle. Oh, it's very easy. You can take the sum of interior opposite angles. So 60 plus 55. How much is the answer? Answer will be 115 degree. Is there any answer? Yes. 100, 110, 115. So C is the answer. So practice some more questions. You can take NCERT book. You can say take R.S. Agrawal book. You can take exemplars from NCERT. So that will be perfect. And subscribe the channel to learn more. Share the video with your friends so that they can learn. Thank you for watching.